Every story begins with a small spark, a whisper of something more. I've always dreamed of creating something, but I never knew how to start. Maybe this is how it starts. I've always felt that dreams need a special place to be born. Maybe that's why I'm here. Some dreams take years to bloom. Others just need the right place to begin. I'm not sure what will come out of this. But every palace starts with just one stone. Maybe I'm not the best at filming or painting or speaking to the camera. But I've always believed that dreams deserve a place to grow. A little corner where they can rest and slowly become real. I've spent years waiting for the perfect moment. But what if the perfect moment never comes? So this is me trying to build my own little world, creating this channel and making this video. Even if the walls aren't perfect. Because I believe every dream is like a locked door, and maybe if I keep creating, one day I'll find the key. Dreams are delicate things, fragile, almost invisible at first. But even the smallest things can grow in the right place. What if this is what it feels like to finally start? Sometimes you just need to stop and let the world whisper its secrets. Maybe we've all been carrying these dreams with us all along, waiting to begin. This little palace will hold more dreams than I ever imagined, perhaps even yours. And so, a little dream found its way home. Will you come back to see what grows here?